Join me as I take on the ultimate challenge of exploring iPadOS 6 and seeing if it's ready for laptop duty. I've been diving deep into the latest features and updates, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. iPadOS has come a long way since its inception, and I'm curious to see how it stacks up against traditional laptops. The line between tablets and laptops continues to blur, and iPadOS 6 is at the forefront of this revolution. One of the most significant improvements in iPadOS 6 is the enhanced multitasking capabilities. You can now use multiple apps simultaneously with ease, making it feel more like a laptop experience. The new file system is also a game changer, allowing you to access and manage your files more efficiently. It's still not as robust as some would like, but it's a step in the right direction. Another area where iPadOS 6 shines is in its stylus support. The Apple Pencil is an incredibly powerful tool, and iPadOS 6 takes full advantage of its capabilities. But what about the software? Can iPadOS 6 handle demanding tasks like video editing or software development? I've been testing some of the more resource-intensive apps, and the results are promising. Some might argue that iPadOS 6 still lags behind laptops in terms of raw power, but I think that's a fair trade-off for the portability and convenience it offers. As I continue to explore iPadOS 6, I'm excited to see how it will evolve and improve. The question on everyone's mind is whether iPadOS 6 is ready to replace your laptop. While it's not a straightforward answer, I think it's definitely worth considering. If you're curious about my experience with iPadOS 6, be sure to check out my upcoming videos into its features and capabilities. Your input is also valuable, so share your thoughts on iPadOS 6 in the comments below. Lastly, if you're interested in learning more about iPadOS 6 or other tech-related topics, I've got a range of videos that you might enjoy. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of iPadOS 6, and I'll catch you in the next video.